topic of the assembly? Kindness. Kindness. Students of class first A shows the kindness for trees. We have to only do not to cut trees, and always in your birthday plant a tree. It's a very good method to become kindness for trees. Now, two old women are not able to cross the road.
Stop! Stop! I will help you.
Are you living with your grandparents? We should help them. We should give time, spend time with them, ask for advice, eat together, and appreciate and respect them. It is also a part of kindness for our grandparents.
Save the world. Thank you.
The nation. Empowering your girl child means empowering your future. It's for animals also. Be kind by speaking for those who have no voice. Animals के पास voice होती है क्या? वो बता सकते हैं उनको क्या problem है? It's our duty to give them the respect, care and kindness they deserve. That's why we celebrate Be Kind to Animals Week from May 1st to 7th. 1st May to 7th we celebrate Animals Kindness Day. Care for animals, give shelter, feed the birds and animals, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.